Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars, where we dive into the newest, boldest, and most exciting vehicles on the road. Today, we're checking out the Subaru Forester, and this one's definitely turning heads. At first glance, the latest Forester still holds on to its rugged charm, but Subaru has given it a serious upgrade. The design is sharper, more modern, and even more SUV-like. It's got that signature Subaru look, but more refined, with a wider grille, sleeker LED headlights, and bolder body lines that give it a strong presence. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading out to the trails, this thing looks ready for both. Under the hood, Subaru keeps things practical and reliable. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter flat-4 boxer, putting out around 180 horsepower. It's not a powerhouse, but it's efficient and dependable, exactly what Forester fans expect. There's also a hybrid version in the mix. Subaru's expanding into hybrid tech, offering better fuel economy without sacrificing the confidence of all-wheel drive. And yes, symmetrical all-wheel drive is still standard. That's one of the Forester's biggest strengths. You get incredible grip whether you're driving through snow, rain, or dirt. Improvements to the suspension and steering help deliver a smoother ride on pavement and solid control off the beaten path. Inside, the Forester's cabin shows a clear move toward more premium territory. The layout is clean, smart, and practical, with better materials and an upscale feel. A large 11.6-inch touchscreen dominates the center dash, powered by Subaru's Starlink infotainment system. It's fast, easy to use, and finally feels like it belongs in a modern SUV. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Higher trims include extras like a Harman Kardon sound system, a digital instrument cluster, and ventilated seats. Comfort, tech, and everyday usability all come together in a way that makes the Forester a solid place to spend time. On the safety front, Subaru delivers as expected. Every model comes equipped with the EyeSight driver assist system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and pre-collision braking. The Forester also features the driver focus system. It watches for signs of distraction or drowsiness and helps keep you alert behind the wheel. When it comes to pricing, the base model sits just under $30,000. Higher trims like the Sport and Touring can push closer to $40,000, especially with additional features or the hybrid setup. But overall, the value is strong, especially considering all-wheel drive is standard across the board. So who's this SUV really for? It's perfect for small families, weekend adventurers, commuters, and anyone who wants a reliable, practical vehicle that can handle different conditions. It's not trying to be flashy, it's built to work, to last, and to go places where others hesitate. Against rivals like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, or Mazda CX-50, the Forester stands out with its balance of capability, simplicity, and Subaru's go-anywhere confidence. With the addition of hybrid efficiency and more premium touches, it hits that sweet spot even better. Subaru is also leaning into sustainability, using more recycled materials and aiming for reduced emissions. It's becoming a smarter, cleaner vehicle while staying true to its roots, reliable, rugged, and built for real life. In short, the Subaru Forester remains one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs you can buy. It's easy to live with, built to perform, and now more modern than ever. It's the kind of vehicle you count on for the long haul, whether you're running errands or taking the road less traveled. If you're looking for a compact SUV that does a little bit of everything, and does it well, the Forester deserves a serious look. Let us know in the comments, what stands out to you. Would you take this over a RAV4 or CR-V? Are you into the hybrid option? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. This is the Dream Cars, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.